She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted by.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sugar Tamara, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to look like a Thanksgiving meal on Thanksgiving. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be shaping up my brows because I already filled them in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color chocolate, and I'm shaping them up and cleaning them up with my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I think that's in the shade NC42.
So I don't go shooting where your heart be, cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm not to deal.
So next I am blending out that concealer with this fluffy concealer brush, or like a cut crease brush. I don't know which type of brush it is, but I'm just gonna use it to blend out my brows so I don't look like a freaking bird between, the brows or whatever. And now I am priming my eyelid for my eyeshadow with the same concealer that I used before. And after I apply it with the brush, I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. Now I'm going to take this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't remember which one it's called, but I'll just put it in the description box and you can kind of tell which one it is. But I'm going to take that yellow shade. It's like the yellow orange shade, and I'm just going to put that above my crease for my transition color. Next color that I'm going in is the orange shade that's in the same palette, and I'm going to put that directly in my crease, and I'm using this very fluffy crease brush to blend that out. Now I'm going to take that brown shade. It was like a burgundy but brown shade that's in the same palette. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to use like this flat eyeshadow brush to apply that on my lid. And also I'm going to go back with the orange shade in the fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors together so there won't be any harsh lines. And before applying my foundation, I did use my Becca primer, and I'm also using a Becca foundation. I believe it's a 24-hour wear one, and I think it's in the color Maple. And I'm going to use my beauty blender, or the booty blender, what they call it, Patrick Star call it, and I'm going to blend that out into my liking. For concealer today, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Sand, and now I'm going to put that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and I'm also going to blend that out with my beauty blender.
So I don't go shooting where your heart be running.
Now I'm taking my Fit Me loose powder. It's like a setting powder, and I normally bake, but I learned that that's not really good for me because it gives like a lot of flashbacks. So I'm just gonna set it, and then I'm going to contour using this NYX contour palette. I just use one of the brown shades. I just be picking whatever shade I want to use today. But yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, just snatch my cheekbones or whatever. And I think right now I am going to be using this LA Girl Mineral Press Powder in the color Toffee. Ooh, I'm going a little fast. Okay. Now, now I'm just using my Lancome or Lancome, however you pronounce it. Mascara. This mascara is pretty bomb. I didn't want to wear lashes today because, you know, I don't really like wearing lashes. I like the way they look, but applying them is a whole different story. So yeah, I had sprayed my face already before I had put my mascara on, so now I'm just doing the bottom lashes. Now I'm applying like this orange blush from the Morphe palette. I'm gonna list it down below probably. So next I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm just gonna put that on the top of my cheeks, on my highlight area, my nose, my brow bone. Yeah, basically where you highlight.
This just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. This just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. Here we go. Baby, know you.
And as you can see, I'm lining my lips. Before I put my lipstick on, I am using the MAC lip pencil. I think it's in the color Quark. And I'm also going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I have to go find out what's the name of this lipstick. I'm going to tell y'all, hold on. Yeah, this is the finished look. Whatever products I didn't say in the video or couldn't remember the name of it, I'm just gonna put in the description box so you guys can take a look. But that's all for my look today. If you guys like this video, just make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, comment. Don't be afraid to comment. You know, we all family here. Look at me trying to be cute. You ugly.